Here are some notable nuggets that happened during Yankees spring training action on Saturday. Second chance. Joey Gallo hit a long, 3-run homer to right, as his strong spring continued with his first Grapefruit League homer. He's now 4 for 11 on the spring and has made some nice plays in left, as he looks to put his rough debut in the Bronx behind him. Unfit for a king. The Yankees were impressed by how Michael King pitched when he came out of the bullpen last season, when he had a 2.33 ERA in 38/3 innings compared to a 5.47 ERA in 24/3 innings as a starter. He got the start Saturday and allowed 3 runs, and a pair of homers, in 2/3 innings. Caught my eye. Miguel Andujar reminded fans what he's capable of when he homered off lefty Andrew Vasquez in the 9th inning to go to 4 for 12 this spring. He still doesn't seem to have a fit on this roster, but he does have an option left and could be included in a trade. Sunday's schedule. Garrett Cole is scheduled to make his first Grapefruit League start of the spring when the Yankees host the Pirates at Steinbrenner Field at 1:05 p.m.